Welcome back to our channel Automation Hub, where we bring you the latest and most detailed vehicle overviews in a simple, engaging, and easy to understand style. Today we are diving into a complete and updated overview of the 2026 Megabus vehicle, a modern intercity coach that represents the future of long-distance bus travel. Megabus has always been known for affordable pricing and wide route coverage across the United States, but with the 2026 model, the company is clearly focusing on comfort, technology, safety, and efficiency like never before. This new Megabus vehicle is designed to meet the expectations of modern travelers who want reliability, comfort, and a premium experience without paying airline-level prices. The exterior design of the 2026 Megabus immediately feels more refined and aerodynamic compared to older models. The double-decker structure looks sleeker, with smoother body lines that help reduce air resistance and improve fuel efficiency. The iconic white and red Megabus color scheme has been modernized with sharper graphics and cleaner branding, giving the vehicle a more premium and professional appearance. Large panoramic windshields not only improve visibility for the driver but also enhance the overall look of the bus, making it feel more open and futuristic. LED headlights and taillights are now standard, offering better night visibility and a distinctive presence on highways and city roads. When you step inside the 2026 Megabus, the first thing you notice is how spacious and well-organized the interior feels. Megabus has clearly invested in passenger comfort this time, with redesigned seating layouts that provide more legroom and better aisle space. The seats are ergonomically designed, offering improved cushioning and lumbar support, which is extremely important for long journeys. The upholstery feels more durable and premium, with modern textures and colors that match the overall white and red theme of the brand. Even on full routes, the cabin feels less crowded compared to older generations. One of the biggest upgrades in the 2026 Megabus is the focus on technology. Every seat is equipped with USB charging ports, and many routes now feature power outlets as well, allowing passengers to charge their phones, laptops, and other devices throughout the journey. Free onboard Wi-Fi has been significantly improved, offering faster and more stable connections compared to previous years. This makes the 2026 Megabus a strong option for students, remote workers, and travelers who want to stay connected while on the road. Digital display panels inside the bus provide real-time route information, estimated arrival times, and important announcements, reducing confusion and improving the overall travel experience. The upper deck of the double-decker Megabus has also received special attention. It feels quieter, more relaxed, and ideal for passengers who want a peaceful journey. The large side windows allow plenty of natural light during daytime travel, while adjustable interior lighting helps create a comfortable atmosphere during night trips. Overhead luggage racks are stronger and more spacious, allowing passengers to store their carry-on bags securely. The flooring material has been upgraded as well, offering better grip and easier cleaning, which helps maintain hygiene and safety. Comfort is not limited to seating alone. Climate control in the 2026 Megabus is more advanced and evenly distributed throughout the cabin. Improved air circulation ensures that both upper and lower decks maintain a consistent temperature, even during extreme weather conditions. This solves one of the common complaints passengers had in older models, where some areas felt too cold while others felt too warm. Noise insulation has also been improved, reducing road and engine noise and making conversations, music, and sleep more comfortable during long journeys. From a driver's perspective, the 2026 Megabus is packed with modern features that improve safety and control. The driver cockpit has been redesigned with a more ergonomic layout, digital instrument clusters, and improved visibility. Advanced driver assistance systems are now part of the package, including lane departure warnings, adaptive cruise control, electronic stability control, and automatic emergency braking. These features not only protect passengers but also reduce driver fatigue on long intercity routes, making the entire operation safer and more reliable. The engine and performance of the 2026 Megabus reflect a strong focus on efficiency and environmental responsibility. The vehicle is powered by a modern, high-efficiency diesel engine that meets the latest emission standards in the United States. Improved fuel management systems help reduce fuel consumption without compromising power, allowing the bus to perform smoothly on highways, hills, and urban roads. The transmission system has been optimized for smoother gear shifts, which translates into a more comfortable ride for passengers and reduced mechanical stress over time. Maintenance and reliability are areas where the 2026 Megabus truly shines. The engine compartment and service bays have been designed for easier access, allowing technicians to perform inspections and repairs more quickly and efficiently. Diagnostic systems are more advanced, providing real-time data about engine performance, braking systems, and overall vehicle health. This not only reduces downtime but also helps prevent major issues before they occur. For a large intercity operator like Megabus, this level of reliability is crucial for maintaining schedules and customer trust. Safety has always been a priority for Megabus, and the 2026 model takes it to the next level. In addition to advanced driver assistance systems, the bus features reinforced structural design, improved braking systems, and enhanced suspension for better stability at high speeds. Emergency exits are clearly marked and easily accessible, and onboard fire suppression systems add an extra layer of protection. These upgrades ensure that passengers can feel confident and secure throughout their journey, whether they are traveling short distances or crossing multiple states. Another important aspect of the 2026 Megabus is accessibility. The vehicle is designed to accommodate passengers with disabilities, featuring wheelchair access, designated seating areas, and improved boarding systems. This makes Megabus a more inclusive travel option, allowing a wider range of passengers to enjoy affordable and comfortable intercity transportation. Clear signage and audio announcements also help passengers navigate the bus more easily, especially those who are traveling for the first time. From a business and operational standpoint, the 2026 Megabus represents a smart investment. Lower fuel consumption, reduced maintenance costs, and improved reliability help keep operating expenses under control. At the same time, the enhanced passenger experience attracts more customers, increasing overall demand. This balance between efficiency and comfort is exactly what modern transportation systems need in today's competitive travel market. When we compare the 2026 Megabus to previous generations, the improvements are clear and significant. Older models focused primarily on affordability, sometimes at the expense of comfort and technology. The new model proves that budget travel does not have to feel basic or outdated. With better seats, stronger connectivity, advanced safety systems, and a refined design, the 2026 Megabus competes more confidently with trains and even short-distance flights. For passengers, this means a more enjoyable journey from start to finish. Booking a Megabus ticket in 2026 is not just about getting from one city to another at a low cost. It is about experiencing a reliable, comfortable, and modern mode of transportation. Whether you are a student traveling between cities, a tourist exploring new destinations, or a professional commuting for work, the 2026 Megabus offers a balanced solution that fits different lifestyles and budgets. Overall, the 2026 Megabus vehicle represents a strong step forward for intercity bus travel in the United States. It combines modern design, advanced technology, improved comfort, and enhanced safety into a single package that meets the needs of today's travelers. Megabus has clearly listened to passenger feedback and invested in meaningful upgrades that make a real difference on the road. As competition in the transportation industry continues to grow, vehicles like the 2026 Megabus show that buses still have a powerful role to play in the future of mobility. That brings us to the end of today's detailed overview. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to like, share,